1. Which sentence is in the present simple tense in active voice? And the options are A. The book was read by him. B. She will be singing at the concert. C. They play soccer every Sunday. And D. The cake had been baked by Mary. And the answer is C. They play soccer every Sunday. Second, identify the sentence in the simple past tense in active voice. Options A. The movie will be watched by us. B. He is writing a novel. C. They danced all night at the party. D. The presentation is being prepared by them. And the answer is C. They danced all night at the party. Third, choose the correct active voice form of the sentence. The door dash dash by the wind. A. Blown. B. Blows. C. Is blowing. D. Is blown. And the answer is B. Blows. This is simple present tense. Fourth, which option uses the future simple tense in active voice? First, A. She was cooking dinner. B. They have been studying for hours. C. He will complete the project by tomorrow. D. The movie is being watched by them. And the answer is C. He will complete the project by tomorrow. Fifth, select the active voice version of the sentence. The song was being sung by her. Option A. She sung the song. B. She had sung the song. C. She was singing the song. D. She sang the song. Answer is C. She was singing the song. 6. What is the active voice form of the cake has been eaten by the kids? Option A. The kids ate the cake. B. The kids has eaten the cake. C. The cake is eaten by the kids. D. The kids will eat the cake. And the answer is B. The kids has eaten the cake. 7. Choose the correct active voice sentence. And the options are A. The concert was enjoyed by the audience. B. The audience was enjoying the concert. C. The concert has been enjoyed by the audience. D. The concert had been enjoyed by the audience. And the answer is B. The audience was enjoying the concert. 8. Identify the sentence in the present continuous tense in active voice. Option A. The letter has been written by her. B. He will be arriving later. C. They are playing chess right now. D. The car was repaired by the mechanic. And the answer is C. They are playing chess right now. 9. Which sentence is in the future continuous tense in active voice? And the options are she wrote a novel last year. B. They have been singing for hours. C. He will be working on a project tomorrow. D. The movie is being watched by them. And the answer is C. He will be working on a project tomorrow. 10th, what is the active voice form of the book will have been read by the time she arrives? Option A, the book was read by her when she arrives. B, she will read the book when it arrives. C, she will have read the book by the time it arrives. D, the book will be read by her when she arrives. And the answer is she will have read the book by the time it arrives. Please like and share if you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.